with Resin Rockers, and I am back with another fun resin art tutorial for you guys. We are doing a two-part video on this one because it's a lot, but we are doing ombre. So I'm going to teach you how to do the perfect ombre. We're going to start with a pen. So we're going to do a pen that looks like this. And then the second part of the video is an ombre tumbler like this. So it's going to be really, really pretty. So let's get into it. All right, so for our tumbler, we are using the Fast Finish Fast Setting Epoxy. This is the easiest, fastest way to apply your glitter, seal your glitter, and give it a top coat. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix equal parts of A and B in a small cup, and we're only gonna need a small amount because we just want a very thin coat here. So I'm only gonna use 10 mLs. So we're gonna use this little measuring cup, and I'm gonna put 5 mLs of each A and then B, and then we're gonna mix it up. So we're gonna mix up our epoxy. We're gonna mix it for 2 to 3 minutes. It's gonna be very, very thick. That's completely normal. It's what we want. It's what's gonna allow us to pull that glitter in and keep it there. And when you're done stirring it, it'll almost look like a foamy mixture. It'll be a lot less thick too, once you get it mixed properly. So we're gonna go ahead and we are going to put our insert, this is a 20-ounce skinny insert, onto our turner arm. And then we're going to add it to our cup. We're just gonna press down until it goes right inside the rim here. And that's gonna keep it perfectly level, which is what we want. Next, we are going to apply our epoxy. One nice thing to have is something to give yourself hands-free access, because sometimes you'll realize you forgot something at your workstation and you have nowhere to put your tumbler. So these are really nice stands because they fit the turner arm and you can just stand it there and go do what you need to do. So I always keep these handy at my workstation as well. All right, so we're gonna take our epoxy and we're gonna go in a line all the way across, and we're just gonna start moving it along until we get it layered from top to bottom evenly all the way around. It does not need to be thick, no more than 10 mLs for a 20-ounce skinny. You do not need very much. A little bit goes a long way. And you only have about 15 minutes of working time with this resin. So as soon as you get it mixed, you need to put it on that tumbler. So I'm gonna set that there, and I'm gonna go ahead and get my glitter ready to go. So I'm gonna move my deli paper back over, and we are gonna do the same process that we did with the pen. So we're going in with halo first. I'm gonna get the bottom of the tumbler. And then we're gonna go all the way around, layering it nice and thick. About 1/3 of the way up. Which looks great. All right, now I'm gonna tilt my tumbler up, and we're gonna tap right there at the bottom, so that it just hits just right and it goes into the middle of that tumbler. We're gonna do this all the way around. The more upright you can get your tumbler, the better. It's really hard to do on camera, but the more upright you can get it, the better the ombre is gonna be. All right, that looks pretty good. We're gonna tap our arm there, and we're gonna move right into the umbrella. And we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna start with the umbrella all the way at the bottom, all the way around. Nice and thick. And then we're gonna start tilting this one and letting it fall into the blue. All right, it has turned for 24 hours and this is the end result. I've got my outlining on there for my striping that I'm going to do, but as you can see, the blue and the purple marry together perfect. You just have to get it to fall very lightly going down the tumbler when it's done, but this is very, very pretty, and I hope that you guys will give this a try because these are a lot of fun to make and there are so many things that you can do with them. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and we'll be back soon with another fun resin art tutorial.